in my brother's room waiting for the buffalo milk, or even waiting. They're gonna in front of me milk the motherfucking buffalo. I'm gonna see. It's 5:30 and it takes half an hour, and then I got 2 liters of fresh, unpasteurized, raw buffalo milk. Come on, people. Come on, people. Do you understand how beautiful that is? Everything just happens so fucking perfectly all the time. I don't even know where the camera is where I'm looking, but it's like I'm looking at the wrong side of the camera. Like this is easier than I'm just like. Whew. But you guys are gonna see in a moment how it is to live in heaven all the time.
Brother,
Mm-hmm.
listen, go up, come.
Up. Even further up.
Yeah. Let's go this side. You sandal, this sandal, no? This is my sandal.
Yeah.
Go up. You see the beautiful pokhara also, you can see from down.
Yeah. Whoa. Vegetables. Holy Jesus. All the way to Pokhara, where we were living before. Village life. The true core of humanity. I love you all so much. If you even knew how much I love you guys, you would just be enlightened instantly this moment. Because you would realize I am you. Little ones. Stuck here for now, but they're friendly at least. Hey, beautiful Hare Krishna. Om Namah Shivaya. It's happening. Fresh buffalo milk. So amazing. This one's pregnant.
Ui.
Pregnant little mama. Protective. It's okay.
यसलाई भाडो केमा पठाइदिनु चाहिँ सानो भाडो एउटा
Fresh buffalo milk. Raw buffalo milk. Got 2 liters of milk. Carefully put it down. Some fresh, everything he does is raw, organic. He doesn't put any pesticides, just water and sun. Got some free greens for a salad to try, a special one they have around here in Nepal. Bought 2 liters of raw buffalo milk. Walking around in the village. This is gonna be the buff. Thank you all for watching. Remember, you are loved, you are perfect, you are exactly where you need to be. You're at the right place at the right time. You're always guided. Follow your heart. Follow your intuition. Remember, this is a dream. And when we dream with love, we can create anything. Little Mr. Nature, going to get the local milk and the local vegetables for the little night in the eco village. We just arrived and it's already so goddamn perfect. I can't even explain it in concepts and words to you guys. So you're just gonna have to watch some videos and follow the journey to heaven for everybody. Oh, I gotta hurry up before the storm comes. I love you guys. There's a storm coming, thunder and rain, and I'm at the neighbor's house picking up milk and shit. And I hope you enjoyed the milking. I've never seen that before. One love. Stay blessed. Psst, you're God.